Guys, this is my first video. Okay, this is my first video. And if you want to unfriend me, my name is Selena Cutie 217, and that's my avatar. And I'm gonna play Slop Tower. So I'm gonna teach you how to get golden slop. Here is the silver slop, and you want to get the flame slop. That's so easy though. Go in here. Okay, you see that slap, but it's so hard to get it. I'm gonna fall. That's so hard. Oh my god. I can I can Oh my god. I thought you is hard. So I'm not gonna get that. I'm gonna get my blue slap first. Okay, I get it. And I'm gonna go in Okay, that's okay. At least I have a golden. So let's start playing this. Oh, I will not gonna have the color. So let's play this all without cheating. Oh my god, this is so. Sorry for my background. Hey, who are you? Hey, don't slap me! I'm gonna get you a revenge. Where are you, Mark? Where Mark is? She's in there. Oh my god, please don't. Sorry guys, I'm not good at English as well. Oh, my friend Justin joined me. Where's Mark? Okay, this is so good. Pangit na, nagugutom ka. Nagugutom ako sa Okay. Oh, I have a surprise for you. I'm gonna Tagalog this. Okay. Yun guys. So, please. Okay. Oh, hindi siya nawawala. Let's go. Malapit na tayo sa taas. Okay. Magwawala na lang ako. Okay. So, easy. Akala ko ano yun? Lag. Wallhap pala yun. Kasi nakapag-wallhap ako eh. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm alone in here. But if you are here, bro. Okay. guys. Tara, ay, ayan. Okay. Okay. Dito tayo sa red. Uy, gagi. Unti na lang, guys. Makapunta na tayo sa finish line. Makakuha na natin ang gold slab. Kahit nakuha ko na kasi nag-cheat ako. I'm not admin to fly, but I cheat. Tutorial in part 2. Oh my god. Ay, tutorial ko yun. Soon. Soon may tutorial ako. Huwag muna ngayon, ha? Sorry. Okay. Okay, isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Okay, for the last one. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So, guys. Oops. Oh my god. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Unti lang nababawa sa aking, Gen 1 kill bro. Wala namang nakalagay 1 kill. So, wall half tayo. Wow, ang galing. So, let's go. Uy, okay. Okay. Okay, we are in the blue. Nasa blue na tayo. Walapit na tayo. Oh, wala. Oh! Nawawala siya. Okay. Okay, okay. Go. Again. Okay, thank you. Okay, I make this clear. Because no one is admin and no one's trolling in here. So, I'm clear gonna go in the finish line. Okay. Oh! Okay, thank you. Up. Oh my god. Okay, we're in the troll, but wala namang mag-troll. Wala namang mag-troll kasi nga type lang nandito. Gusto ko sa... Oh my god! I don't like this. Can I quit? Okay, this is my last chance. My last chance. Let's go. Who's that? I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna play this. Nagtaya ako na nahimik. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna go over there. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. Why this server just so bad? I don't want to play this.